Just get the one on. Get this one on first. All right.
I got her. She ain't going. She ain't gonna pop up at you.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
You got it on?
Yep. Stay away from me!
Stop resisting! Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
No! I'm not fighting anything! Okay, that's not hurting me!
Okay. Yep, my body cam's down
Double
there.
lock them.
No, I know, I'm just letting it right now. Mine's down there. Yep.
Why do you guys hurt everybody?
Slow down, slow down.
That hurts!
Slow down.
Slow as fast, fast as slow. All right, take your time. She ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, she's got her hand, that's why. That's why I'm... There you go.
Hey, stop hitting me!
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting anything! I'm not!
You got it or no?
You want to hurt everybody!
Yes, I believe so. Okay, well, yeah, you squeeze it. Yep, you're good, you're good.
All right. Stick in the car.
My glasses! Ow, my glasses!
All right.
My glasses!
Stand up. We'll get your glasses. Where's he at? This one?
Put him in the other one. There you go. Unlock your car.
Ow! Please don't step on my feet!
Tico, you got gloves on? Yep. Search her quick. Since there's a fire.
Ow! Ow!
Stand up. Nobody's hurting you anymore.
You are hurting me!
Okay.
This hurts!
Well, cuffs
If you
aren't
stop
meant to be
moving around,
comfortable.
I'm not!
if you would stop moving around, it wouldn't hurt.
No! You put these on too tight! They hurt!
I can see there's plenty of
They
space in
hurt! I'm not kidding, my legs
I can get my fat, stubby finger through both of them. You're fine.
hurt! I'm not kidding!
She's got something else.
Please stop!
Good? All right.
Ow! Hey! Ow!
Shut up.
Jesus Christ.
All right, well.
Anybody got any hand sanitizer?
Yep.
When you get arrested, to check on the guy's knee.
Yeah, probably.
You want to talk to him first. The one right now is not real. It's
Okay.
fake. It's some kind of like
The gun's fake?
paintball gun or...
I got purple top wipes in the front too if anybody wants them.